Hello guys, this is Sajid. Today I show you how to use jQuery Ajax with PHP and MySQL. For instance, let's take one example. You can see here I have created one simple form which has filled full name and email, and our target is store these details in the database. But before storing, check whether email is already exist or not. If the email is exist, then show the message email already exists, and if it is not exist, then save the details in your database. And all this operation we are going to handle with Ajax. And this is my users table. It has two fields, two columns, full name and email. This is my form and this is my PHP file. Here is the form. You can see name, full name, here email, and this is submit button. Full name, email, submit button. So for each HTML tag, I have given one class. Here you can see class full name, class email, and for submit button, I have given class sign up. This is because while writing jQuery code, we are going to use these classes. Next one is, as we are using jQuery Ajax, so I included jQuery.js file. Now here, on the click of submit button, when I fill these details and click on submit, we have to perform operations. So here I have written click function on sign up. This is the class sign up for the submit button, and on click of I get the values of full name and email and assign them to respective variables. .val is the method to get the value from text field. Full name and email is classes for respective text field. Now, this is the syntax of jQuery Ajax. This is the syntax. $.ajax type get. Type get means by which method you are going to pass the parameters to the URL. URL ajax.php. So this is the file where we are going to send our form data, and we will write the code in our this file data. This is the parameter which contain the all the data we are going to send. In our case, we are sending full name and email, and these are the variable from here. Okay. Now success. Once the Ajax request is completed, Ajax will send respond to this function success. This is the response where we will get from Ajax. Now this is the code we will explain later. Now let's see this file ajax.php. Here you can see ajax.php. First of all, I included config.php file. In config.php, I have written the connection code, database connection code. That's it. Now I have written the query here. Select ID from users where email equal to $_request email. Means here I am checking whether the entered email is exist in database or not. If it is exist, then return false, and if it is not, then only insert the full name and email in your database. So in here we are echoing false, and here we are echo true, and based on that response, true and false. If it is not true, then it will be else. We have append. Here you can see dot message dot text. So I have written one div here above the form. Div class message. This is the empty div. So based on the Ajax response, I will display the message inside this div. Dot text is the jQuery method which will add the text inside a respective element. Now if result is true, registration is successful, and empty the value of full name and email. If it is not true, then it means email already exists. So that's the code, simple one. Now let's see it in action. Now I'm entering, just open the console so we can see the Ajax request. Okay, now I'm entering dummy details sam@s.com. Okay, now I click on submit. Here you can see request. URL is ajax.php file. Ajax.php file. As we are using the method get, so our parameter appended to URL. Full name equal to Sam, email equal to s@s.com. And when I click on this URL under the response, I will see true, because this is the first time we are entering record, so obviously there is no email find with such record, so it will insert into database and returns true. Let's see whether the record is inserted or not. It is sam at s@s.com. Now, and also once we get the response true, we are showing registration successful based on this code. Response is true, so inside the div registration successful and full name email is empty here. If you use the method post here, then obviously these parameters will not append to URL. If you want to see in action, I enter post and refresh it. sam s@s.com, submit. So here you can see Ajax.php, but parameter are not appended to URL. Instead, you can see here under header section here form data sam s@s.com. So as we know, this email already exists in database, so it will return false, and based on false we are showing email already exists here, and obviously data will not get inserted into database. Now I am changing the email and again submitting it. Registration successful because this email is unique here. So that's the syntax, means that's the code you can use in your project for jQuery Ajax. So I hope you understand the tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice day.